Okay, we're back to the car. Look at that. Look at how deep that is. Hey, it's Freeman here with another Freeman's Garage Extra video for you. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the frozen cars that are buried under feet of snow up at the Freeman's Garage, North Dakota location. I already filmed this video once for you on my most recent trip from Texas up there, and the wind was just... The wind was not our friend that day, and the wind completely blew out all the audio. Hey, it's Freeman with another Freeman's Garage Extra. So I'm going to talk over the footage in a voiceover. Here's the update. I swear this summer I'm going to fix that door so that next winter this does not happen again. I'm sick of it. This drift the last time I was up there was 5 or 6 feet tall, and now here on this trip, it's 13 or 14 feet tall. I know, it's crazy. There's some frozen beaties. Okay, here I'm just telling you about the 67 big block Mercury that is behind me and to my right. You have seen a video on Freeman's Garage already where I tried to get it running in that condition, in that state right there. And the weather was just brutal, and I ran out of time, and we did get the engine turning over, but we weren't able to get it to fire. But here on this trip now that I'm on, or I was on while filming this extra video for you, we made a second attempt to get it running, and I won't tell you what happened, but stay tuned to Freeman's Garage because that video will be up there in the very near future, if it's not already. It's hard to say because I don't know when you're going to see this video. Okay, now we're back at me holding the camera, pointed at my face. I'm not sure what I'm rambling about here. Oh, I'm still talking about the same car. well, just know I built a bigger fire the second time and was able to put more effort into trying to get it running, even though the weather was just as bad or worse. Oh, and by the way, the car's actually under a couple more feet of snow. It's actually buried deeper than it was the first time. When I got there, a gas can, a giant battery that was horrible carrying it through the snow drifts, and I did come up with a solution in the second episode. And I got looks like the business end of a witch's broom and some screwdrivers. I don't even know what I was talking about here. I couldn't tell you, but I kind of don't really want to stare at the snot frozen to my mustache anymore. Okay, we're back to the car. Look at that. Look at how deep that is. Oh, boy. Okay, and then there is our Advance Design 1.5 ton Chevy truck. And I won't tell you what year exactly that is yet. Still a surprise. But I can tell you that when I was up there on this trip, well, I'll just tell you it's a 47 or 48. I'll get you that close. But up on this trip here, I did film a video of trying to get it running just the way it sits too. I dug snow out to get the hood open and all that kind of stuff like I did with that Mercury. I don't know what I'm telling you about the Mercury there. I have no clue, just rambling. Then that is, again, you've seen that before. That's our 50-something International. It's a 1.5 or 2 ton. I think it's got a 2-speed rear end, and I think the engine in it might be stuck. Not 100% sure. No update on that. From the last snow video, cars buried in snow video, update video. Yeah, once again, I have no clue. I don't know what I'm rambling about. Probably the same. Probably whatever I'm saying right now is pretty much what I'm telling you. Or I made a joke about Canada. Just kidding. Okay, and there's that 60 to 66 Chevy C10 pickup that I showed you before the last time here in the snow, and no update on that. It's under more snow than it was the last time. That's the update. And, well, I guess what I could tell you is I was hoping to film a video this winter of dragging it out from, or getting it out from where it is right there, where you see it right now, and putting an engine in it, because I don't think there's one in there. Put an engine in it and get it running and driving. But, you know, just how winter comes hard and fast. Sometimes it ends fast too. I've run out of time. There's no way I'm going to be able to get that done this winter. It's too big of a project, and there's too much snow, and I don't have large enough equipment to actually dig that one out. So that's just that's a summer project on Freeman's Garage, but the anticipation will make it that much more sweeter. Well, there you go. Just wanted to let you know what's going on with those frozen vehicles up there at the North Dakota location, and me being primarily down here in the Texas location, and it's April. I don't think we're going to get much further with those vehicles before the snow melts. Those are quickly going to turn into summer projects. Although on the regular Freeman's Garage channel, a Will It Run style video of that big blue Chevy will be up there, and also the second attempt at getting the 67 big block Mercury to fire off while buried in snow. That'll be on Freeman's Garage too. And again, it could already be there because I don't know when you're going to see this video. Either way, subscribe to Freeman's Garage and Freeman's Garage Extra. I appreciate you. And yeah, let's just keep having fun.